Hey guys, it's Sam again with Nixon Offroad crew. We have a small, short installation to do today. We are souping up the lights on our car because we want to add a 52-inch light bar. And we're going to do that with our A-pillar light bracket here. Now this is all Jeep Wrangler JK models, 2008 to 2017. It's a direct bolt-on installation. It's got a sturdy steel design here, and let's get into it. We start on the workbench with the included contents in the packaging. This includes the foam protective padding that will prevent any of the metal parts from scratching the paint, and it also comes with these plastic washers that would be placed on the OEM bolts to protect the black finish of the A-pillar light bracket. Now we're going to flip the light bracket over, remove the adhesive from the backing, and carefully stick this protective foam on the inside of the light bracket. Now it's a good idea to use some pliers to loosen and remove the antenna. This will keep it out of the way while we install the new A-pillar light bracket. Next, we're going to remove 5 of these OEM screws from this plate. It's a good idea to have your attachment screws accessible and handy to you at this point. Make sure you place the plastic washers onto the OEM bolts to prepare for the installation. These 5 screws are now ready to go. Carefully place the A-pillar light bracket against the body of the Jeep and align it with the screw holes as seen here. Now you can screw the bolts in by hand and leave them loose for final adjustments. Make sure the entire light bracket is flush to the Jeep. And then you can go ahead and tighten down and you'll be done. But don't forget to put the antenna back in, you'll be missing it later. Now you can install another set of lights or a new 52-inch LED light bar. It's up to you. And that is it for our A-pillar light bracket. As you can tell, this was super easy. It's a direct bolt-on installation. It's got a powder-coated steel finish, and it will allow you to put a 52-inch light bar or 2 individual fog lights on your Jeep JK here. Now, the recommended installation time is around 30 minutes for both pillars on both sides. Take your time, get it done right the first time, have fun.